If you haven't been living under a rock for the past few months, you've probably been hearing about AI everywhere. AI this, AI that. So much so that it's starting to sound like just another buzzword, an overhyped technology or a bubble waiting to burst. But is it? My name is Asil Lokman and I'm an engineer and startup founder, and for the past few years I've been implementing solutions in company processes of all sizes to help them become more competitive. And if there is one thing I'm certain about, is that AI is not just passing fad. But who am I to say so? This is what tech leaders have to say. Bill Gates has stated that the AI revolution is even more important than the internet or mobile technology revolution. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, has compared AI's impact on humanity to the discovery of electricity or fire. An arms race has begun. Governments, corporations, and startups are all competing to gain an advantage. If you're struggling to keep up with the pace of change, that's completely normal. There has never been a technology in human history that has evolved as rapidly as AI is evolving today. Everyone wants their slice of the pie, and so should you. If you want to capitalize on this revolution, I have good news and bad news. The good news is that if you're watching this video now, you still have time to act. If AI were the internet, we would be somewhere in the late 90s. And as you know, the companies that took advantage of the internet's emergence are the ones ruling the world today. But the bad news is that AI is moving much faster than the internet did. While it took years for major breakthroughs to emerge with the internet, it now takes months or even weeks with AI. If you don't act quickly, you will be left behind. In this video, I'll show you 3 key areas where you should act to fully take advantage. So let's first start on how you can use AI at a personal level. First, you need to start adopting AI in your daily life to build familiarity and to start gaining a competitive edge. I won't be diving into specific tools in this video, but I will in future ones. So if you don't want to miss those, make sure to subscribe. Get accustomed to using AI assistants, whether voice-based or chat-based. Make AI an integral part of your life. Use it to ask questions, search for information, and brainstorm ideas. The obvious reasons is that AI assistants are often more convenient and efficient than Googling for answers. And the less obvious reason is that as AI assistants continue to improve and gain the ability to perform tasks autonomously, you already have the habit of using them. You'll know what to ask and how to ask it. When others will still be figuring out where to start, you'll already have a competitive advantage. Then, start to use AI to supercharge your education. AI allows you for personalized learning in a way that was once thought of impossible. No matter what you want to learn, you don't need to pay for an MBA, enroll in an overpriced course, or spend weeks reading books. You can now learn in an interactive way, a way that is tailored to your unique learning style, knowledge gaps, and goals. And then learn to leverage AI as your second brain. Like in the movie Limitless, where Eddie Mora takes a pill and suddenly learns at an incredible pace. AI can play a similar role in your life. As AI models improve, gaining reasoning, problem-solving skills, and context about your life, they start helping you in ways you never imagined. It's as if your brain went from riding a horse to driving a supercar. It can become limitless. I was blind, but now I see. Then let's see how AI can help you in the workplace, in your professional life. So the reason is fairly obvious, or the main reason is fairly obvious. It boosts your productivity, it improves the quality of your work, and you're probably already using it for tasks like writing emails, summarizing information, and analyzing data. But AI's potential goes far beyond that. If you're just using AI to do the work for you, you're doing it wrong. It can even make things worse by generating generic and uninspired results. Instead, learn to blend your intelligence with AI. This is where the real power lies. Artificial intelligence should be an enhancer, not a replacement. That said, some jobs will actually be replaced by AI, whether we like it or not. That's the reality. So the winning strategy is to position yourself as someone who facilitates AI adoption rather than being left behind by it. The wave is coming. You can either learn to surf or get wiped out. It's your choice. So what should you learn exactly? There are countless tools and skills to explore, and I'll be sharing more on this in future videos. But a good starting point is AI automation. Beyond chatbots, learn how to use AI to automate tasks. Tools like Zapier, N8N, and Make are already quite powerful. In the future, such tools will gain agentic capabilities, meaning they'll function autonomously, much just like a human. When that happens, you won't be the AI expert in your company, the one who helps just in transition into the new way of working where AI agents work collaboratively with employees. Otherwise, you might receive an unexpected HR email about important discussions. And then there is the use of AI in entrepreneurship. And this is by far the most exciting opportunity. If you're already an entrepreneur, you should be paying very close attention to AI and acting fast. Businesses that fail to adopt AI-driven solutions will be outcompeted by those who do. We are witnessing a reshuffling of the cards. AI is enabling new ways of doing things and unlocking entirely new business models. If you're not leveraging AI, you'll be left behind. And if you're not an entrepreneur, but you want to be an entrepreneur, this is your moment. We're in a golden age of entrepreneurship. It has never been easier to start a business, and the market is actively seeking AI-powered solutions. As Paul Graham, the founder of Y Combinator, said, AI is the exact opposite of a solution in search of a problem. It's the solution to far more problems than its developers even knew existed. Unquote. AI is a foundational technology, like electricity. It will power nearly everything in the future, to the point where we take it for granted. And this revolution isn't just happening, it's being driven by entrepreneurs. The ones who embrace it will reap massive rewards, while the ones who don't will be left behind. If that doesn't fire you up, I don't know what will. The best part is that the cost of launching a business has never been lower. You don't need to raise capital. You don't need a massive team. You don't need months of development. All you need is an idea and the right skills. And when it comes to skills, AI is breaking down traditional job silos. A designer can now code with AI, a developer can now do graphic design with AI. What matters is the value you aim to create. We're living in an unprecedented era. This might be the most significant opportunity of our generation. Of course, only time will tell. But one thing is certain: every major shift creates losers and winners. And only those who take action now will end up on the winning side. So make sure to be on the right side of the equation. This is a new channel, and I'll be sharing more content on how you can leverage AI and technologies to your advantage. So if you want to know more, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.